On today's video, it's round 2 of ribeye tenderizing. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because today is round 2 of steak tenderizing. And this is going to be a good one. Just kind of because we get to eat steak, but you know.
Oh, we get to eat this?
Yeah, absolutely. So you guessed it. Last time, Salt Brine won out over fork tender. But I got something up my sleeve. I'm going to go a little old school. This is how, you didn't know this. This is how I used to cook steaks a long time ago. This is the first way I ever learned. Believe it or not. So we're going to fork tenderize and then soak it in a little bit of soy sauce. So let's just jump right in. And hey, before we get started, I want to thank you for the love on the merch. Go to teamkosmo.com to grab yours because it's super cool. Everybody's doing it. And it looks good. It actually, did you know it actually makes you look thinner?
Does it?
Yes. Yeah, I'm right now about 290 pounds, but I look 190.
You look thinner in the face for sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Is it the Spanx or the shirt?
Spanx, shirt, and hat combo.
We were supposed to say Spanx on the channel.
Triple
right?
threat.
Triple threat.
Hey man, no shame right here.
My bad.
No shame right
I
here.
should have said that.
What
That wasn't my place.
What would it be for the male version of
I
that?
think there's still Spanx.
Really?
Unfortunately. I heard they have like stores in the mall now.
I think on Seinfeld they call it the bro.
The bro.
All right, so hey, let's just jump right into it. We got some USDA prime ribeyes, hand cut. That one, he gave us a kind of a crappy one on that one. That's an end piece, that little wiener. We're not going to do any trimming. Which one should I do, Wish? You want to pick, Wes? I'll fork and soy this one.
Okay.
All right, so let's just get it on in there. Man, this one has a thick spinalis. Or, I call it the lip. Look at that.
Is that good or bad?
That's good. That is actually the best part of it. Let me move this guy over here. I got to put down my little bed of salt. There we go. That easy. And now the soy. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put the soy on, and about halfway through it, so in 10 minutes, this one's going to go for 20 minutes, this one's going to go for 20 minutes. Halfway through it, I'm going to flip it and hit it with soy again. I'm going to massage it in just a little bit and hit it again. All right, now we wait. everybody. Just to recap, we are doing a brine test. We salt brine one, and then we used a fork tenderize with a soy sauce on the other. Rubbed them both with cow cover and Texas beef. Cooked them indirect or reverse-seared. Seared them off at the end. Cooked them to 127. Let them rest for about 15 minutes. Sliced them up, and now we get to taste test them.
That's it. Round 2.
Round 2.
Last time, the salt brine won. This time, you want to hedge your bets first, or you want to just dig in and see?
Well, I know which one's which, so I don't know, man. To me, I know. So here we're gonna go off of tenderness.
Yep.
And then flavor.
Tenderness first. Flavor
Tenderness
second.
first, flavor second.
Okay.
All right, you want to dig in?
Let's do it.
Let's start with this one.
All right.
I'm gonna start right here. This thing is cooked to perfection.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Jeez.
That tenderness is amazing.
Oh yeah.
On the tenderness scale, I would give that a 9 all day long. The flavor, 10. I love how the Texas beef puts a crust on there, you know, and it's just a little bit of crunch. Just a little bit of crunch.
All right.
All right.
Next.
Try the next one. You dig in. You go first.
I like this piece right here.
That was a good piece, too. I'm going to get this guy right there. A little fat.
Oh, it's still so warm.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's close.
That one's so good. Tell me what you think, and then I'll tell you which one's which.
All right. So tenderness first, flavor second. This one is more tender to me.
Mm-hmm.
It's not by very much, but it is.
Mm-hmm.
This one, that last bite, had a little bit better flavor, to be honest with you. But the flavor is more or less the same.
I agree with you 100%. 100%. Could you tell me which one is salt brine versus fork tenderize with soy sauce?
This one might be the fork with the soy, and this is the salt.
You are absolutely correct.
Yes!
So this one, when you use the soy, you get a little bit more flavor.
It's there. It's kind of on the finish, actually.
It's a little bit deeper flavor. So I wonder next time,
It's like roof of your mouth.
what would happen if we salt brined one and then rubbed it and let it rest in a little bit of soy sauce for 20 minutes. Salt brine, soy, then rub. But I think for sure, flavor, this one wins.
Yep.
Salt brine still wins again.
It does. The
still wins again.
Is insane.
All right. You dig in. I'll finish the video.
Thank
okay?
you. Appreciate it. Yep.
Well, hey, I want to thank you guys for watching. And as always, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.